Southeastern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, Central Abbeville County in upstate South Carolina, Northwestern Greenwood County in upstate South Carolina, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Anderson, or Overstar, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hodges, Donald, Abbeville, Shoals Junction, Iva, Due West, Star, Lake Secession, Anterville, and Homeland Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSTSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: